motherfucker.
Alright, it's Thursday, 7:40 p.m. I went to Christian's earlier and we hung out, got hungry, and we were like, let's go get pizza and ice cream. So we didn't know how long the pizza would take. We went and got ice cream. Are these blizzards or blast? We went and got blizzards first. There's a woman in there, not a man.
No, it was a man.
There's gonna be pubes in our food. Anyways, we're now getting the pizza. That's a good album, dude. We're watching The Walking Dead. Have a good day at work, Timmy. Welcome back to another daily vlog. I'm currently on my way to go feed crazy cat ladies crazy cats. Total of 8 cats and 2 dogs. Thankfully the dogs aren't there. I gotta feed the cats. Been doing it for a couple days now, and she just texted me this morning and she was like, Brittany, I know I said only until Monday night, but can you do it until Tuesday night? And I was like, anything for you, Miss Crazy Cat Lady, of course. But today's gonna be a really good day. I can already feel it. We don't have to work. There's probably going to be an adventure of some sort, so I figured I'd start the vlog off now. Crazy cat number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. You thought I was lying, didn't you? And number 8. This one gets locked up because he's a fucking asshole. And I feel so bad. Okay, I knew this day was going to be great. I was going to go home and wash my car after the fucking cats. But it's raining outside, right? I'm taking a shit and Lou just texted me and he was like, let's eat. So we're going on an adventure. Not in the Cadillac though, because he just cleaned it. He doesn't want it to get rained on and dirty. It don't fucking matter. So today's my first decent day of feeling okay. I still have a little bit of a cough, but my nose is finally unstopping. My chest feels okay. Today is Todd's like first or second day of sickness because he came down with it yesterday. So I was sick for 2 weeks. This would be my 3rd week, but I'm finally feeling better. So he's gonna be sick for 2 weeks and it's gonna suck. He's gonna feel bad and terrible and miserable, and he's gonna have drainage and cough, and yeah. All right, Lou was hungry. He's like, what do you want? I said a cheeseburger, so he's taking me to the best cheeseburgers in the world.
Gurus.
Also, I bought an Xbox 360 from one of my subscribers. Shout out to Brandon. All right, we went to our first stop destination, fucking closed. Didn't expect that at all.
On Monday.
Lou was like, oh, there's this place over here. Second stop, fucking closed.
Everybody closed on Monday. What the fuck?
So now, ooh, clean as fuck.
Oh, he's gonna find out he ain't get no shit to eat either.
No, he's going to work out.
No.
So now we gotta decide where to go. We're frustrated and pissed.
And I don't want fast food.
And I've gotta pee.
Baby's gotta pee. Fuck.
How do we decide? All I wanted was a cheeseburger and some nice fries.
A good cheeseburger.
Then we settled for pizza. And it just went to shit.
You want me to walk you in the AutoZone so you can pee?
Really?
Well, yeah.
Sure.
All right. Let's go to AutoZone. And ask them why everybody's fucking closed on Monday.
Yeah.
You open? How come we can't find nothing to fucking eat?
You guys got any food in here?
Bunch of buttholes.
You think they'll let us pee even though we're not buying anything?
Sure. I have a tax ID number for automotive, so I'll just tell them to smoke my pole.
Are you gonna hold my hand in the stall?
No.
Alright, what are we vlogging?
Right here.
What?
shithole.
Oh my God. Lou.
It's the best one ever. And the dude lives there. It looked like the doors are wide open and everything.
That's awesome.
Isn't it?
Wait, he lives there?
Yeah. I see him outside. He's got pink hair. And I rolled by one time and blew the horn and he waved and everything.
Is he dirty?
Filthy.
Yeah, it is. So no air, no heat in there,
Yeah.
obviously.
No, not even a roof. It's just, I mean, he's been rebuilding it for I don't know how long, and just with shit he finds out in the yard, and there's always junk cars and washing machines. And
Lou rides by here once a week to check it out.
well,
Just to see what's going
it's
on.
my trip. Yeah, the way I go to the paint store, you see.
Oh my God.
So I get to check
All
it
right,
out.
so we're still driving. It's 12:02 now. We left at 11. Still don't know what the fuck we're going to eat.
Because there ain't nothing open.
This is
Business
whack.
day, Monday. Nobody wants to feed us.
All right, food just came. I got a mushroom
I don't know
Swiss.
how the hell I'm gonna eat this thing?
Lou got a full pound burger. What's the first step of eating that? You gonna cut it? You gonna shove the whole thing in your
I
mouth?
don't know what to do.
I want to record you doing it.
Don't. There is evidence of it.
All right, we just got out of the diner. That was like almost the best cheeseburger I've ever had. I got a mushroom Swiss, and Lou got a full pound of hamburger meat stacked up this fucking high.
Yeah.
And he ate the whole thing.
I'm miserable.
Don't know how he did it.
Going home to nap.
But first, energy drinks.
Yes.
For me.
Burning the tires.
And we made it to this big Dollar General that I've never been in before. We're going to search for energy drinks because the one beside our house is currently out. Lou bought them all.
No. you
Crackhead
bought 'em
motherfucker.
all,
Drank
silly.
them all in one day. Didn't even share one.
Whatever. Whatever. And
Whatever.
and we did a burnout when we left when we turned around.
I missed that on camera. It was quite hilarious. We were going like 90 miles per hour.
You ready?
Let's go.